Okay, then let's proceed to the different activities of business organizations. We have the financing activities, the investing activities, and the operating activities. Now, the financing activities, the business here obtains financial resources. So that is primary sources of these financial resources are the owners and the creditors. So any transaction of the business relating to the owners and the creditors are considered financing activities. So we have here like repaying the creditors or paying a return to the owner or investment of the owner, anything that we have to do with the owners and creditors. Then we also have here our investing activity. So the investing activity is when the company acquires other resources used in transformation process. Like the company will have to buy land, building, equipment, and whatever resources that will help the business prosper or do its own operations. Now, example of that activity is when we dispose or we replace these resources or we buy them, no? We sell them. And finally, we have here the operating activity. So this involves the use of the resources. So to design, to produce, distribute, market goods and services, so anything related to the operation of the company, for the company to give their service or render service, for the company to sell or to produce. So these are related to operating activities. Again, with our quick check, what are the different activities in the business organizations? Correct. We have the operating, investing, and financing activities. If you have gotten the correct answer, then you proceed to the next slides. If not, then you go back to the previous slide.